So we have another new custom ROM available named as Project Infinity X. Although just the name is new, the custom ROM is still the old one. The custom ROM, if you remember, the name was Superior Extended OS, which was extended version of the normal Superior OS, but now it's changed to Project Infinity. And Project Infinity X, as the name suggests, it is a new version, by the way, and we have a new ROM name, Project Infinity X version 1.0. The About Phone UI is redesigned, also the customization panel, which brings you a lot more interesting things. Make sure to watch this video till the end because video could be quite interesting for you because of the features, the changes, and a lot more things. Stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. We have installed this on our device, which is actually Marble, which is Poco F5. It's available for some other devices too, as far as I know. And here we have the customization section. Although the customization section brings you a very new, refreshed UI, and as far as I know, not every customer provides you, of course, but most of the customers still does not have this thing. We have lock screen customizations, a lot more things here. But if you straight away take a look at the lock screen customizations, one of the main highlights of this custom also includes the iOS style lock screen. If you choose the iOS style custom clock, you will also get the iOS widgets here pre-included. Firstly, I saw this thing was included in Rising OS. As far as I know, it was pure iOS clocks with the lock screen, and same thing is available here. Unfortunately, Rising OS is not that much stable, but this custom ROM is actually looking stable so far. If you want to choose any other clock widget, you can do so. We have Oxygen OS style, we have custom, we have a MIUI style, we have a lot more extra options available here for you to customize. Including the lock screen clock styles, it also brings you some options related to security, some options related to features. Some features are also present here. If you take a look at these theming options here, these are good, but if you take a look at this, if you click on wallpaper, you will see wallpapers and styles, or else if you click on any other tile, you will be redirected to the themes page. So that is also quite amazing. Not most of you will notice this, but this is actually quite impressive one. You can choose the other options, like we have a similar kind of options, change wallpaper, etc. But yes, it brings you some very useful things. For example, if you move on to the theming options, most of the theming options are present here. Like we have icon pack customizations, we have signal icons customizations, we have Wi-Fi icon customizations, we have volume panel style customizations, and customizations, a lot more customizations are present here. If you move on to the status bar, some of the features are missing from here although, but if you take a look at the status bar padding, one of the most important features, it's present here. We have similar kind of options in notifications, power menu, navigation, gestures, similar kind of options available here and there. And also if you move on to the miscellaneous options, you will notice we have spoofing options and we have the Windows secure flags, application downgrade. Almost every similar feature which you get in other custom ROMs is present here, but because of the UI, this custom ROM is looking quite unique here. If you take a look at the default launcher, as expectedly, because this custom ROM mainly focus on customizations, etc. So the UI, or basically the launcher, is not a pixel launcher as expectedly, but it still brings you some very useful things. Like if you are one of the users who's interested in the recent panel UI, yes, it brings you some options related to background blur, you can say, and also the quick actions which you can customize. The Dubfest OS is one of those custom ROM which brings you the option to choose the compact design in recent or not, but everything else is just similar here. We have the options for app drawer, icon pack customizations, etc. If you want to choose one of them, you can definitely choose them. Miscellaneous options are kind of similar, where you have the option for hidden and protected apps, so that you can choose the app locker in case you want to. Also, if you take a look at the quick settings panel, by default it is in light mode, it's not in dark mode. But yes, if you want to adjust it to you can adjust blur. The option is available for you named as quick setting transparency. You can adjust the transparency according to you. So yes, it might look like that the quick settings panel is blurred. It is not having the Android 11 style quick settings panel, unfortunately. But yes, because this is the initial version of Project Infinity X which I have installed on my device, so things could be changed, your new features will be added, more new features will be added with the upcoming update. But for now, this is what we have. So these were things I just wanted to let you know. If you take a look at the more security and privacy options, you might notice some of the features are missing from here. But as I just mentioned, in the upcoming update, you might notice new features will be added soon. So this is all. If you want to install this version, if it is available for you, link is already available in the description. So make sure to check it out. This is all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.